Hello, everyone. This is Creating Cards with Sherry. I'm Sherry, and I'm so glad that you have chosen to join me today on my Tickled Tuesday video. Today, we're going to take a look at the November paper pumpkin kit, and I'm going to talk just a quick tad about the December pumpkin kit, paper pumpkin kit. Next month's kit is called Good Things Come in Small Packages. Boy, if that isn't the truth. And it will come with a kit that has supplies to make 16 gift card holders, 4 of 4 designs. All right. And then along with it, if you want to, you can buy these envelopes and cards that will go with them. These are extra. You can get them on my shop. They're only $10, and you get the coordinating colors. So this is what they look like. I bought mine already so that I'm all ready for the next paper pumpkin. But you've got a gray one, a pink one, a green one, and a blue one. And they're all set to go with those gift cards holders. So you will want to consider getting that, and so that you can have a great set to put together for your Christmas holiday. Today's paper pumpkin is called From the North Pole, and it came in this box. Isn't that cute how they did that? I like that. I think that's so cute. Anyway, and this one is making gift tags. Okay, last time we made some gift card holders, and but this time we're going to make some actual tags. Excuse me. The gift card holders that you're getting next week or next month are for all year round. That's why you see all the different colors. It's not just Christmas. It's so that you can give gift cards for all occasions, birthdays, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, Father's Day, whatever you want to use them for. All right, so it is different from, very different from last month's paper pumpkin. Anyway, today we're going to work on some gift cards. And these are the gift cards that we're looking at. I'm only going to make one today just to save time. But I'll show you what comes in this kit and what we're going to do. All right, there's all sorts of punch outs as always. These are the 3 different tags. You get 4 sheets of these. So there's 12 tags in all. Then you have 2 full sheets of this set. You can see I already dug into them. And then we have some more punch outs. And then they have some specialty paper in this one. We have some iridescent snowflakes and some glimmer, this green glimmer paper. And then there's also some really big tags. I made 2 of them that are in the kit already, and these are the 2 tags. It comes with the Cherry Cobbler Stampin' Spot, mini dimensionals, mini dots, and then, of course, all the stamps. And so I am going to make this candy cane one today just to show you how easy it is. I've been able to get through all these very, very quickly. All right. As you will see in the instructions when you get this, it tells you your first step is to do the stamping. And it shows you that it wants you to have the little tag that has the green on the end. So that's this one. So we're going to go ahead and get started. And this one is the no peeking. I have to challenge my husband with that every year. No peeking, because he loves to peek and shake up the gifts and everything else. All right. Then, also in the instructions, number 2, it tells us to put these mini dots, the mini glue dots on here. These little black dots mean the glue dots, and these open hexagon shapes are the Stampin' dimensionals. All right, so it shows you what to use and where to put it. So on the back of this, we are going to put our mini dots on. I trust you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving, and now everybody's in the thought of Christmas and everything that's going on. We put up our tree this weekend, this past weekend, and we already had some gifts, so I just put them under the tree right away. But we're looking forward to doing everything with families. We're having my family over this year. I can't get this thing turned around. There we go. And it shows me I need a dot right there. And then okay. I was just looking to see how this is going to fit. So anyway, I'm going to have my family over this year for Christmas, so we're getting all ready for that, and we have a special theme going on that will take place, and so we're all excited about it. All right, I am going to first assemble this because that's what my directions say to do next. So I'm going to take these glue dots off. I'm going to turn this around. Actually, no, I'm not going to turn it around yet. I'm going to do it this way so I can see what I'm doing. But I'm just going to place this candy cane on here. Right like that. And then the for you, it's going to go right in the middle. Okay. Then it says to put dimensionals on this. So we're going to put one there. And let's see, where else does it show me? One at the bottom. And then the sides. Okay. I also had to cut a 12-inch piece of twine. There's twine that comes with this as well. I forgot to mention that. And let's see, I think I've done all the stamping that I needed. Oh, wait. Yep, I did all the stamping that I was supposed to do. So we're all set with that. And then, I just realized what else I need. I also need this thing, this one tag, because this is going to go on top of that. So we just have to match up our holes and put that right in place. There we go. Then our no peeking And go right in there too. And then we take our paper off the dimensionals. And we're going to stick that right on top. Isn't that cute? I like that one. All right, now I'm going to try and get this twine through these holes and this itty bitty hole. Sometimes that's not so easy. Oh, come on. I'm going to cut this end off just a little bit to start fresh. There we go. And we got it that time. All right. And then I'm just going to tie a bow with this twine. And we will have it all set. Now there's a stamp in there that says for or to and from, that sort of thing. So you can always stamp those. In fact, I would suggest if you're going to use that stamp, that you stamp the back first before you assemble this, because once this is assembled, it's going to be too bumpy to write anything on the back. So if you know who it's going to and you want to do any stamping or writing on the back of this, do it ahead of time so that it doesn't get all icky from the bumps. All right. I think that's it. The only thing you're going to need when you do this for your own tools is to take your pick tool and a scissors to cut the twine. Everything else is in the box for you with the instructions on how to assemble it. So that's how easy that is. I hope that you've enjoyed this Tickle Tuesday video. And if you want to purchase anything, if you want to purchase the next paper pumpkin, again, that's going to be Good Things Come in Small Packages, and it's for all year round. And if you want to order that, just go to my shop at creatingcardswithsherry.stampinup.net. Use the host code WP379DAX. And actually that code is only good until December 1st. December 1st, that's going to change again. So if you want to get this kit and use that code, get it in now. You only have until December 10th to order that kit. And then order these envelopes and cards at the same time that will go with them so that you can put it all together in a nice little gift package for whoever you're giving it to. Okay? All right. I think that's it. You have a fantastic week, and we will see you on Simple Sunday. Bye now.